안녕하세요. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be a Korean trainer for today. In the last class, we did Munha and specifically we did umsik or food culture. So today we are going to do a very interesting topic. We are going to learn about K-pop. Not exactly about K-pop. We are going to have a look at a few songs and learn from the lyrics. So please remember, please keep this in mind that K-pop and the songs can never be our primary tool for learning Korean, but they always aid, they always help us. So let's start. Okay, so the first song that we are going to learn will have the following difficult words, following words that we don't know, following thano. Let's see. Scale, scale, scale is scale, like the English word. Then we have John Cook. John Cook is the entire nation, all of the nation, one nation, your country. That means this person means one country, this person's country, but the entire nation. Hanguk. Then we have 대신. 대신 is instead. 대신. 연습실. Now we have done 연습 as a word by itself. 연습 is to practice. So 연습실, a practice room. 밤새. 밤새 is all night, over the night, throughout the night. 밤새. Now let's have a look at the song. Now this is our We Are Bulletproof Part 2 by 방탄소년단. Yes, let's listen to this, let's go through the lyrics and see what they mean. They are saying 이름은, 이름 we know is the name. 이름은 정국. 정국, how do we write 정국 in Korean? 정국. So 이름은 정국. Name is 정국. scale은, scale was scale. scale은 전국, nationwide. We just read about 전국, entire nation. So scale은 전국. Name is 정국. The scale is nationwide. Then they say 학교 대신. 학교 is school. 대신 instead. So instead of school, what does this person do? 연습실. 에서 location marker. 연습실, practice room. At the practice room, 밤새, overnight. So instead of going to school, 학교 대신. Instead of school, 연습실에서 밤새. Spending overnight at the 연습실. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 중. Now 중 is something that is the center, the middle of something. Something out of many. This is one thing that sticks out. Yes, special in a sea of a lot of things, this one thing is special. 중, that one specific thing. Something out of many. Then ne. Ne is a very casual form of me. Right? It's a very casual language. We have done jaw. Right? Ne. Ne is also me. But right now we are not going to use ne in our daily conversation, and when we are learning Korean, casual casual tone we'll learn later. But just for this specific song, ne is mine. Now mok. Mok is share. Your share. This person's share. Then 원하다. 원하다. To want something. 원하다. 원해요. 하다 changes to 해요, right? So if you want to say I want something, that an object, then you can say 이거는 that thing 원해요. Let's say I want 사과, right? So 사과 원해요. I want 사과. Okay. Let's see. This song is How You Like That by Blackpink. Right. 100개. Now we know 100 is 100. 개 is the counter of counting things. 100개 중에. So out of those 100개, out of those 100 things, 100개 중에 100. Right? Out of 100, I am the 100. Right? 100개 중에 100. 100개 중에 100. 100 out of 100. 내 몫을 원해. I want my part. 내 is I. 몫을 is 몫 is part. And 원해, 원하다. Coming from the word 원하다, 원해, I want it. Now again, 원해 is a very casual way of speaking. This whole sentence, they are speaking very casually, right? So that is how you like that from Blackpink. Let's move forward to the next one. 더 is more. 더 원해, I want more. 세게, 세게 is strongly. Something which is strong, strongly. Tap, tap is to hold something. Tap, tapta, holding something. Tap. 좀 is little. 좀 coming from the word 조금. A little, little or something. 꼭, 꼭 is firmly, tightly. Sometimes it's also used as definitely. For definitely also you can use 꼭. Firmly, tightly, definitely. Then we have 위험하다, 위험하다, 위험하다 to be dangerous. 하다 again, 위험해요. It's dangerous. 위험해요. It's dangerous. Right. Let's see. Now this is fancy by Twice. So 더 세게, more strongly. 더 세게, 더 is more, 세게 strongly. 꼭 잡아. 꼭 is, firmly, tightly. Yes, so we did 꼭, firmly, tightly. 잡아, coming from the word 잡다, to hold. This person is saying 더 세게 꼭 잡아. Please, like hand my hold it even tighter. Take my hand. 세게 꼭 잡아. Take my hand. 잡다, hold my hand. 좀 a little 위험할 거야. 할 거야 is coming from the word 할 거예요. Now this is casual. 할 거예요. 위험할 거예요. It will be a little dangerous. Future tense. 더 위험할 거예요. 할 거야 again. 더 위험할 거예요. It will be even more dangerous. It will be a little dangerous. It will be a lot more dangerous. Okay, so that was Fancy by Twice. Moving forward, 넘다. 넘다 is to cross something, go beyond something. 넘다, like crossing a hurdle, go over a hurdle, exceed something. Then 산맥. 산맥 is mountain range. 산 is mountain. 산맥 is a mountain range. 또 is again. 또 공부했어요. I studied again. 또 했어요. I did it again. Right. Now let's see. This is Miro by Stray Kids. 산을 넘다. To exceed, go beyond, cross over the sun, cross over the mountain. 산을 넘어, then they are saying 강을 넘어. 강 is river. We have done 강. 강을 넘어, go over the river. Then they say 산맥 강을 넘어. 바다 다 넘어. So 산맥 강. So even the mountain range, 강 넘어. Then 바다. 바다 is beach, sea, right? Even that also, sea also 넘어가. So again down, next. So next would be again. So next and next. Or after doing all of these, after exceeding all of these, so 다음. Again they want to 넘어가다. Exceed the next, go beyond the next. That is what they mean here. Okay, let's see the next one. 자꾸. 자꾸 is something that is, repeating itself frequently, again and again. Something that happens again and again. 자꾸. Right? 자꾸. Then we have 말하다. 말하다, to tell, to speak, to say something. Right now I'm speaking, so 말해요. I talk right now. Right? 다시 is also again. 또 is also again. 다시 is also again. So two words for again we learned today. 또, again. Right? 뜻 is as if. Here the pronunciation is th. 뜻 Tut is as if like, just like. Tut. Then sauda. Sauda is to fight. Sauda. Then 붙어 다니다. 붙어 is something like stuck together, with glue or anything stuck together. So 붙어 다니다 would be mean 다니다 we have done, to attend, to go somewhere. So 붙어 다니다, people who are always together, roaming around together, hanging about together, always together. Two people who are always together. 붙어 다니다. Then we have 이해하다. 이해하다 is to understand. 이해했어요. I understood. 한국어를 이해해요. I understand 한국어. Then lastly we have 웃기다. 웃기다 is to make somebody laugh, right? Make somebody laugh. Something is absurd. Then also you say 웃기다. Okay, let's see. Now this song is Psycho by Red Velvet. Okay, so 우리를 보고, 우리 is coming from the word 우리. 우리 is us and we. 우리를 보고 말해. 보고 is coming from the word 보다, to see, to watch. 우리를 보고 말해. 말해, to speak, like we say. 자꾸. So they see us and they say again and again, 다시 안 볼 듯. 다시, again, 안 볼. 안 is not, we have done negation. 볼, again coming from the word 보다, 안 볼 would become future tense, not to see each other again. 듯, just like. 듯 is just like, 싸우다가 도. 싸우다 is to fight. So what do people say? 우리를 보고 말해. 자꾸. They see us and they say again and again, 다시 안 볼 듯 싸우다가도. So 다시, it's like this fight, like just like they're not going to see each other again, right? 안 볼, 다시 안 볼 듯, just like they're not going to see each other again. 싸우다, they fight just like that. But then again, 붙어 다니다. So even after that, they are always hanging about together. 이해가 안 간대. They say 이해가 안 가다. They don't understand. 안 가다. 웃기지도 안 돼. It's not even funny anymore. 웃기다. 웃기지도 안 돼. Not even, you can't even laugh at it. So you don't need to know all of the words and grammars for this song. It's a little difficult. So just to, test ourselves. Difficult, it's okay, we don't need to know all of this right now, it's just for practice, right? So that's it for the K-pop day. So that's it for today's class. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.